Hi everybody, I'm Erin Brown, and today I wanted to go and show you how to design your slides using the master slide. So you may not know about this, I just learned about it and I think it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So what can you do with this? Pretty much anything. Everything that you are just like, I love to do the design, but I hate having to go and change all my fonts all the time. This goes and changes everything. It's so great. So first, what I wanted to do is give myself a little bit more real estate so I can see. So I'm going to go and click out of the themes. I'm going to go and make the add speaker notes a little bit smaller there. So now I have my big screen there. All right, so where you're going to find it is under slide. And then you're going to go to this little thing that says edit master. I'm so excited. Like this is, I'm such a geek about this and it's great. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the first one here that says master because this will go then and change all of these underneath. And that's key. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna go and think of like what you want for your big, like your title page of like what font you want. It always goes into Arial, and I just want something a little bit more bold, but I still want it to be a sans serif font. So I'm gonna go with Oswald, but I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, 38. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Now, for my other ones, I think I want it to be a serif font, just because in that way you have the little, change between the two. Now, what I just did there is I didn't realize this at first, and so I was going through and changing it all individually. You don't have to do that. So you click on the first one, and then you hold the shift button on your keyboard, and then you click down, and then it selects everything. And I feel kind of silly that I didn't realize that. So I'm going to do Times New Roman. It's classic. Why not? I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Boom. There we go. So now if you go on in here and look at all these other layouts, check it out. It is now in Oswald, and this one's also in Times New Roman. I think this one, though, I'm going to change it to be like the Shadows in the Light. I've always really liked that one, and I don't like to use it a ton, but I do like to use it. So now if you go and take a look, all of these are changed, which is great. Oh, this one looks a little funky. So I'm just going to go in and change that, move that on over. Boom, there we go. And then this is the only other one I wanted to go and change because I kind of feel like because it's a caption, I want it to be a little bit more fun looking. So I'm going to change that one into the shadows and the light as well. So now if I wanted to go and change like all of the colors, I could just go to my master one and then go to background and change the color. You could also do a background as far as like an image goes, especially if you do something in Canva. I'm going to go and use like that color, I think. Yeah. If you take a look, now all of these have gone and changed. Now you can go and change each of these in order to be like a different color as well. I know you're not going to be able to see like a ton of difference with that. So let me change that to white. There you go. Now you can see that a little bit different. And so you can just go and change everything around. Now, the other thing that you could do is you can add in any different color. You could add in pictures if you wanted, which is really great for like designing interactive learning opportunities. But you can also go and add in like a logo. So let's say that you have a logo or a picture, you can go into insert and then image. You can upload it from your computer. Mine's going to be in Google Drive. And let's see here. See if it'll pop up. Oh, there it is. There we go. Okay. Go and exit out of there. So now this is like really big and it's like, well, we don't really want that. So I'm going to go and make that a little bit smaller. Yeah, just as like a little watermark or something. And I'm actually going to go and cut that. I'm going to go and apply it to the master one. So in that way now it goes and is on every single one of these slides. Let me exit out. Now, each time that you go and add in a new slide, you can choose whatever layout that you want, and it will be exactly in the font that you wanted, the color that you wanted, has whatever picture that you wanted. And the great thing is that unless it says click to add title or click to add, everything else is kind of like locked. And so people can't go and move that around, which is awesome. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. This has been like a game changer for me, and it was just wonderful. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.